G'day guys, Greg here. Now I'm really excited. KFC has got a brand new $4.95 fill-up box. It's got a piece of hot and spicy boneless chicken in it. Anyway, let's whip inside, grab one and see what else we get inside this box. Let's get one! Alright, well here we go, the $4.95 fill-up box. Let's suss out what we got. Oh yeah, baby! Oh boy, this smells so good. Oh, yum! Well, we got some chips. Or as we call them in America, deep fried potato fry pajingles. Oh, look. A chip dinner roll. Wow, amazing stuff from KFC. Oh, mashed potato and gravy. What more do you want? Well, you know what more I want. I want some chicken. Oh yeah, folks, here we go. I got a wicked wing. Well, I think that's a wicked wing. And a piece of boneless, hot and spicy crispy chicken. Oh yes, you little ripper. 10 out of 10 it's getting. All right, well, let's start off with some of their chips. Yum. Slightly crispy. Slightly overcooked. But with that delicious KFC chicken salt on them. What more do you want? I want the spoon for my potato and gravy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Come to daddy. Oh yeah. Not as good as Red Rooster, but And I should did some chips in the gravy. Oh. Oh yeah. Anyway. It's not all about that, it's about these pieces of chicken. Let's grab some. All right, well, here's the hot and crispy boneless piece of chicken. Well, that's pretty good. Although I can't get any heat yet. I thought it was supposed to be hot. Where's the heat? Oh, there it is. The heat is actually inside there, and I tell you what, it is starting to warm my mouth up. It's got a really nice kick to it, and well, just enough seasoning and flavour there to make it really nice and interesting. I like it. I think I'm going to say that. And then we've got the wicked wing here. I'm guessing it's pretty much the same thing. Actually, no, it's not. The boneless piece of chicken seems to be like infused with a nice hot sort of chili sort of flavour. But the wicked wing's actually on the bone still, so it's actually not exactly the same. It's missing the heat. Well, unless there's the heat in the crumbing on the outside, but who cares, mate, as long as it's some KFC. Nice, but I really did enjoy that heat that was coming in that hot and crispy piece of chicken. It is hot and crispy too. Compared to this wing, it has got a real kick. Oh, and the dinner roll. We all know what I think about these. Sugary. Sweet. Need some butter. Anyway, I wonder what score it's going to get out of 10. Well, $4.95 for a box of goodies, mate. Oh, hey, what more do you want? Well, I could have got a drink for another $1.50, so that would have been good. These chips were good. They went down nice and easy. The potato and gravy, well, it's always a favourite, isn't it? Not as good as Red Rooster's, though, I reckon, but still good. The dinner roll, well, if it had butter in it and maybe some less sugar, it'd probably be alright. The Wicked Wing, well, they're pretty good. They're not great, though, I reckon. They taste good, but I don't know, it's missing a bit of wickedness and, well, it's got the bone in it. And who likes bones? Well, I think Rollo does. But this hot and crispy chicken, I tell you what, that is good. It's boneless, it's veined with lots of heat and goodness, and it tastes nice, and it really warms you up, which is exactly what I didn't eat today because it's stinking hot. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the new $4.95 fill-up box, it's getting a 9.9 out of 10. The only reason it's not getting a 10 out of 10 is because that dinner roll's got sugar in it. And if I wanted sugar in some bread, I'd go and eat a donut. Beautiful bits of chicken and all those other goodies there. Mate, all it was missing was a drink, but I could have got one for another $1.50, so that's all right. That would have been $6.50 for a half-decent feed, or fully decent, depending on which way you look at it. But yeah, $4.95, mate, you can't go wrong, can you? Even if that box was $20, it wouldn't get a 10 out of 10, would it? It'd probably get a 2. But still, $5 for a KFC lunch. What more do you want? If you go down there today and grab one, tell them Greg sent you. They're going to know that you're one of the cool kids on the block. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I feast out on some good old Aussie tucker. It's made in America. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger